Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Hello. Mic check. Malakas pa rin yung tapon niya. Tip 6. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Hello. Malakas talaga yung tapon niya. Nasa harap eh. Happy weekend! Monday ngayon. Malapit na yung Pasko. And kasalukuyan natin nakikipagbuno sa traffic. Pauwi tayo mga paps from work. Thank you for riding with us to Sitio Baag. Yung nakaraang adventure ride natin with Reggie and Casual Riding TV. Syempre, kasama ko si Wiki on his Honda Zoomer X. Grabe, ibang-iba na talaga yung itsura ng San Fernando ngayon, no? Compared to 10, 20 years back. Oh, na clear out na tong area na to to give way to the train station, the railway. I guess mula Bulacan yata ito or even farther. Tapos it goes straight to Clark. How convenient would that be? Folks from Manila, oh, no more bus ride. If you're taking the plane via the Clark Airport, so convenient to, di ba? Kasi dire-diretso na yung stasyon ng tren. Woo! So everyday, moto-commute pa rin tayo. You know what I realized? Ang hirap pala makipag-Christmas party kapag nakamotor ka, no? Iniisip mo paano mo iuwi yung mapapanalunan mong microwave. O yung isang kaba ng bigas. Pwede namang itali, di ba? Para-paraan lang yan. Parang Shopee delivery. Sa office kasi everyday may mga bigay na regalo, ganyan. May bigay na pagkain. Pinagkakasya ko lahat yan sa compartment na Zoomer. Buti na lang meron tayong what do you call this? Itong parang handlebar bar. Itong para sa Vespa. Kakaiba siya eh. Siya lang yata yung alam kong may ganitong bar dito sa inside. Sabi nila handlebar ng bata to eh. Hawakan ng angkas mo na bata. Daming gamit to actually eh. Pero ako mainly para gawin siyang hook. Mamaya siguro pagka traffic pakita ko. Single cam lang tayo ngayon eh. Woo! Close visor muna tayo. Sakit sa mata eh. Puwing magnet ako eh. Ayun, di ba? Christmas party challenge kapag naka-motor. Eh ako nanalo kang rep. Oh. Sa raffle. Kaya pinapanalangin mo is manalo ka ng cash prize para mabili mo yung gusto mong pyesa. Yeah ba? Ayun, usok mo, Land Cruiser. You're so mausok. Wow! Galing nitong Osmo Action 5. Kapagka ganitong takip silim, it's so bright. Wow. Wow. It's so bright. Kumusta so far ang inyong mga Christmas preparations? The festivities, holidays. Every year we age. We grow older. Every year parang nagiging mas parang nung bata ako parang excited ako Pasko eh. Di ba? You don't have to do the preparations. You don't have to spend. But when you get older, you get to realize you're adulting. Di ba? You get to make choices. Alin ba dito yung gagastusin ko? Alin ba dito yung pwede namin gamitin para, di ba? Para maramdaman naman natin yung Paskong may dignidad. Napaka-viral nun eh, no? Paskong may dignidad. Going past the 500 Noche Buena challenge. Tapos yung pera ngayon, yung 50 pesos dati is malaki na, di ba? Sa mga inaanak. Yung 50 pesos, the smallest bill ngayon, di ba? 100 is still small. Then, 500, uy. Pang Noche Buena na nga yun eh. Ay, 1,000 ngayon, grabe. Dali na lang niya lumipad. Time flies. But, ayun. Sabi nga nila, Christmas is not for the adults. Christmas is for kids. At least the other side of it. But really, diba, the essence of Christmas is to celebrate the life of Jesus. I don't consider myself a religious person. But that pag mga ganitong Pasko and some of us may panahon na bakasyon, spend time with family, ganyan. Ayun. Mas naniniwala ako dun sa panahon nito to, diba, invest on the bond with your relatives, loved ones, and get to reflect also on your relationship with yourself. Ayun. Bakit may pa music ka, kuya? For everyone. Ayaw naman natin yan. Woo! Our Cafe. Uy, ganitong scoot na to laki What is you? Kimco? Ayun, Christmas is for kids. But actually, if you make it that way, of course, who will make Christmas worthwhile for kids? Siyempre, yung mga adults. Therefore, in that process, Christmas is for everyone. Diba? Yung parents acting like Santa Claus, sila pala si Santa Claus. We just have to embrace our roles. It's easy to get lost in everything that's happening during the holidays. Kasi it's so fast. Everything happens so fast. Yung iba sa atin hindi pa talaga nakatapos with the Christmas shopping, preparation, pamalengke. Diba? Because everybody wants to make it special for someone. Either it's that someone is oneself, or parents, or kids, co-workers, everyone, or oneself. So, bakit kailangan special siya? Siguro it's how we made Christmas. Make it as special as it can be for someone you love. It's okay kung love mo talaga is yourself. Fewer people get to do that nowadays. Mahalin ang sarili. Ay! Yeah, I guess that's the message I'm getting this year, this Christmas season. Make it special for someone. It doesn't mean you have to spend, but you have to do effort. You have to give. Kailangan mo mag-exert ng effort. Sometimes it could be thankless what you do, but it's okay. Doing good naman has its own reward. Matik ba yun kapag Pasko, people get a tad more kind. They are more generous, more patient, more understanding. Napaka-interesting to tumingin sa statistics ng road rage kapag Pasko. It's a season na super grabe yung traffic. Pero kumusta kaya, di ba? Are people exercising a better judgment kaya on the road? Embracing that decision to be kinder, to be more patient. Ay, ingay na. Tinabihan ako ng NK. Init Init niya. Ito. Si Papi. Yun palang shock ng NK, hindi sa center, no? Na may offset siya. Kasi yung sa Smart nasa gitna. This is the NK 400. Not sure kung anong version to. Grabe, no? Pandili ni Quiz. Big bike. Overkill ba yun? Na pang daily mo big bike? For city riding? What do you think? I mean, syempre, pag nagre-review sila, diba? Oh, it's nimble enough. You can scoot through the lanes. Can lane filter, ganyan. Pero handling a big bike and scoot is totally different. Kapagod kaya din kapag big bike. I guess it boils down to preference, no? Nung bago yung Smart, I tried na pang daily. May naman siya, kaya napansin ko mas pawis ako pagdating ng office. Nagle-leather jacket pa nga ako kapag paggamit ko yung Smart Wala lang, angas lang kasi, di ba? Kahit nasa Pinas ka. But only when the weather permits. Kind of. Kasi yung jacket ko, Shopee jacket lang yan Wala naman siyang ventilation to consider, riding or commuting. But medyo okay pa rin tong kuha ng Ang ganda ng mga lights sa OA5. Aha, hindi nakatutok yung camera natin sa dash natin, Papa James. You cannot see, but nakailaw yung gas indicator natin. I have 1 bar, Papa James. Aabot pa yan hanggang bukas. Bukas na ako magpapagas. Ay, daming daming sasakyan. Yung mga bagong kainan sa amin, parang ganda i-vlog to minsan. Yung mga bagong kainan. Kasi mga Kampangan, mahilig sa pagkain, sa pormahan, diba? So, ayan, daming may Wendy's, may bagong Wendy's, may bagong Jerry's Grill. May McDo na naman dito sa malapit. Every few hundred meters may fast food. The only fast food na naalala ko nagsara is yung Burger King sa tapat ng Vista Mall sa San Agustin. I don't know kung nangyari. I guess pandemic. After that, wala na Hindi na siya nag-open ulit. But may nagbukas na Burger King naman dito. I guess that's before SM. Before SM Telebastaga. Ayun, lapit na tayo. Ganda ng mga Christmas lights. In a few days, it will be Christmas. And I'm sure may ride pa tayo before Christmas comes, but this is an advance greeting. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you find peace. Marami sa atin, yun ang hangad this season. So I hope you find peace. You're blessed with good health, a strongly bonded family, at marami pang iba that your heart desires. Remember to be kind this season. A tad bit kinder. Happy weekend.
On the weekend I feel so alive, catching the vibe while taking a drive. I try my best to make up my mind, endless possibilities for you and I. Temperature changing just like the tides, that's a clear sign I see in my life. Fall so short, that's by design, waiting for the weekend tonight. I was waiting for the